Alright guys, here's my Dunn Watson water tank that I've installed. I've made my own brackets up out of aluminium. It's like 40 by 5mm flat bar. I've got a little water pump mounted to that. You can see how I made it. Try and keep still. So I've got this bar coming down over that, all the way down here. There's actually two holes here. I'm actually going to change that to a wing nut like this one I've done. So I can just take the bracket off if I want to remove the tank real easy. I've got another one down here. There's actually two holes here, exactly like these two. I've got a wing nut in that one. I've still got to put another one in that one. And I might actually, down here, I might actually put one of these eye things here, like what I've done here. They're quite good, because I can still take that off as well if I want to remove the tank. But I'm going to use that as a tie down point. So tie from here, going straight across to the other side right here. I'm going to put another tank here, so I can tie stuff down. What else? The hose. The hose is pretty long. It goes all the way to the front. Oh, and I've put a marine plug here. I've got another bracket down the end here. I still need to get that powder coated. I just finished fabricating it. I've also used the eye bolts as well over there. I'll show you the other one. There's another one down there. So yeah, that's my setup. I'll show you the water pressure on this pump. Here it is. I can actually adjust the sway. Look at that. That's not too bad. The hose is really long. It reaches all the way to the front. So yeah, not too bad. I got the water tank from Dunn & Watson for, I think it was $275, which is a 48 litre. The water pump I got, it's just a little, it's an eBay kit. I think it was only cost me like 40 bucks. That's what I've actually done to the hose. This is probably about a meter long. This hole here is a breather hole, so that when I turn this on, the water comes out a lot more quicker. What I've done is I've taken that out, and this hose that I got, amazingly, fits straight in there nice and tight. And it's all the way down to the bottom here. So, yeah. All I have to do... Oh, I didn't turn that off. Like I'm supposed to turn it off, but yeah. All I have to do is just plug it in. I'm trying to video and plug this in at the same time. There you go. And it's ready to go. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty easy. That didn't go well. Anyway. There you go. What else? This is on a Hilux 2007 KUN 26R. So I hope you guys enjoy.